All right, now we are going to create a second table where we want to showcase the region. Along with the region, we want to showcase the specific year to be filtered. So I is a linking field, I1 is a linking field for year, and the J linking field is for your region, for the form control, what we have created. Now to bring the region over here, what we need to do, again, we need to apply a logic where we are going to say J1 is equal to 1. Then if it is true, then what we can do, rather than giving into a syntax form, or let's say in a form of string, we can directly give the self. Okay, comma, comma. If it is false, what is going to happen? Again, I am going to choose this one or the whole thing. I'll copy this whole thing. If it is false, again I'll paste it. Instead of 1, I'll make this as 2. When I make this as 2, it will be 3. Why 3? Because below of Africa, Asia Pacific. So when it is 2, it should be Asia Pacific. So by this way, you're going to continue to the level of the list what you have. If I say copy this, if it is false again, this becomes 3, this becomes 4. If why you want year into the in this cell, you want year. Here you are creating the region name first, right? When you say sales, then comes to the part of both the logic applying. Comma. Yes. Only? What only, sir? What happened? Here when I say 5, this becomes 5. Comma. Paste it. When it becomes 6. So what is this x64? Hmm? Here. Is it? Okay. Why? Because the first one is your header as region. Correct? Perfect. Comma. How many we have? Any idea? So how many times we are going to repeat this way for? 13 times. Okay. But this is the longest method. What would be the shortest method? You need to find out and tell me. No need of writing so many ifs. There are some more functions which will help you to get this results easily. For that, you need to be more perfect in terms of all your text logical functions. Text functions, logical functions. 7. So this becomes 8. Yeah. If I close this way, till here only. Chalo. See, right now it is 1 Africa. Okay. I want you to complete all this 13. Okay. So here is the list till where I have completed till 7, right? 7 means till central. Let's check. Go here. Central. If I select after central, false. Got it? So let me color this also. Got it? By this way, now when you are applying into the sales formula, this year also should be included. This also should be included. Then only you are going to give the filtered result. Clear? Got it? This is how you're going to create the connectivity and linking fields. Okay. So equals to some ifs. This time ifs. Why? Because we have got two conditions to meet. One is the year, whatever it is selected, and second, the region. If I say sum, see, it is first asking for sum range. So here your sum range would be perfect, sales. So I'm going to select the whole sales, comma, criteria range 1. It is asking for range 1, not criteria. Don't get confused. Here a lot of people get confused. It is asking range again. After sum range, criteria range 1. Let's consider year. Yes, comma. This becomes criteria range 1. So what will be the criteria here? Which cell will be the criteria? Huh? Huh? I1. You are giving the names of the range as 2011, 12, 13, 14. You are going to give I1. Huh? That's what. You are going to give number 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the range, is it 1, 2, 3, 4? It is 2011, 12, 13, 14. How is going to match the same name? You need to give A5. From the range, you are asking to identify the year. And here you are saying I1, 2, 3, 4. Then why we have given this, created a cell of like if function? We converted 1 into 2011, right? 2 is selected, then 2012. Makes sense now. Got it? Comma. Now here again we are talking about range. Now this time you come to the part of your region. Simple. Go to your region, select this whole, comma, give you a criteria. Criteria will be this. Make sense? You have given the sum range, you have given the both the criteria. Whatever the year is selected, whatever the region is selected, give the result. See? So in 2014, Africa sales is this much. Make sense? Clear? What do you need to do for next? If I need to apply everywhere here, now help me to complete this. If I copy this, it should work for quantity, discount, profit, and shipping cost. So tell me what I need to do here. T2, T2 to T58115. What I need to do? Absolute. Now I can do the absolute for whole range or a particular cell. I can do it the whole range. This also. Here T2. Both. All of whatever the other range, I'm going to do it. A5. What is A5? 2014. I can also do this one. Right? What is N2? Criteria range 3. Everything should be absolute apart from your sum range. Why? Your measures are changing here. Measures are changing on a column basis. In one row only, everything is written. Everything is written in 8th row. Correct? Yes? Sales, quantity, discount, profit, shipping cost, everything is in 8th row. But only changing is your column. B2, C2, E2, D2, F2. So which means your alphabet is changing in simple words. So when your alphabet is changing, don't lock your alphabets. If your numbers are changing, then do it. Now, which is not changing, you can lock that. That is your 8 here. Yes. So T2, what is T2? Sales. In the connectivity sheet, what we have got? In the data sheet, it is sales column. After TU, in U column, what you have got? Quantity. V column, we have got discount. W, profit. Right? X column, shipping cost. So it should change T2 U, V, W, X. So from 2 to 8,115, I'm going to keep as it is. I'm going to only remove the dollar before alphabet, that is column. Enter. Copy this. Ta-da, ta-da. Your job is done. Clear? Now, the same way, create your chart in the dashboard. Okay, clear? Now, do you think both the chart is required? Yes? Yeah, you are right. Go ahead. In one chart? Huh? Obviously. So here, what we can do instead of bar chart, we can give here as a text chart, writing as sales, as an overall value of 4 years, sum of sales. Here we are talking on a region. This is region level sales, quantity, discount, this way. That can be your overview. Got the point? This will be overall sales of 2014 of this. But here, when we are seeing one more chart, what we are creating is of region-wise sales, region-wise quantity, region-wise shipping cost. This is what we created just now, right? This one. Yeah. See, if I take this blank, place it here, select the data, take the range, go to the connectivity. Done. So this goes on a region level. This goes on a overall 2014 year level. So this chart can be converted into text chart. How to create a text chart? Simple. Copy the whole connectivity only here and make it more glossy and clear with the big numbers. Yes. See why this changed? What happened here? Why the rest is reflecting? Why sales is not reflecting? What would be the issue? Because your sales got shifted. You have started here from B. You're pasting it from A. That is the reason. What is the reason? You have not locked this sum range. That's why it got shifted. Clear? Yeah, actually quantity value is the sales value is under quantity. See what it states here. It is stating S. What is S in the data? See, it is taking as S. Basically, it should be T. Yes, that's why locking is much more important. So we have locked here range. Here we have locked your criteria, but when you talk about sum range, we did not lock it. Yes. So let's make it absolute. Now, if you copy paste anywhere in any table, copy the whole table and paste it anywhere. See? Now make it big picture here. Let's say I'll keep this aside first. I'll first frame this how I want it. I can say this now as here as my overall region wise. Yes, I can make it this as huge, or else I can create here one shape. I can place this number on this. Yes. How to do it, Karthik? If I want to have the sales value here on this, simple, equals to A5. See, whatever the value is in A5 will be reflecting here. Yes, make sense? Now just have a replicate. Control, click, drag. Make one more copy. Okay. Just hold in the corner. Create one more copy. Okay. Here what you are gonna write? Why it is not reflecting? What would be the reason? Yes. Why, Karthik? See, still it is reflecting as it has not changed. T. Here also it is T. I need to copy this formula, paste it here. See, it is not working. So what I would have to lock here is got it? Because I have locked whole column and rows. Actually, I have to lock only the rows of sales. Yes? Yes or no? If I hide all this, if I go to the view, I can hide everything. This, your headings, your formula bar, even your ribbon. Yes? So this is how it is going to give your title over here, right? And your form control at the corner. You can create your charts this way. Okay? So you have got multiple form controls. You can choose anyone. Just check where you want tick box, where you want combo box, where you want. Yes. Which are other ones? Spin button, combo box, list. Checkbox is your list, huh? Then what are different form controls? Huh? What is this? Combo. What is this? Checkbox. This one. Spin button. This is list box. Radioactive button. This is text. That is the group box where it is going to display the form control. Label. Yes. So by this way, create different charts. Create first connectivity. Just identify what all charts you want to create and prepare and showcase. All right. Perfect. Okay. Just practice this. Create different form controls. Create a dashboard with different form controls using not only index and match, not only if you have got a lot of stuff. Different formulas to choose. Okay, practice this and send me the screenshots.